video we will discuss first use case. So I'm starting a new playlist. So in this playlist I will be posting the most used use cases in the projects. So in this we will see about the lightning icons, like how to color them, how to add different sizes. So generally whenever you log into Salesforce and if you check for the icons, it will be always mostly it will be gray only. So if you want to change it to some other color like which we want, generally we get this use case when we are going with the lightning web components and we have a custom use case and we want that color to be some white or something based on our UI. So I have created one LWC for this. So in this we will add the lightning icons and then let's see. So div, let's go with some SLDS card, like inside card we will define. The first use case is different sizes, okay, size, e size. So now I will add one lightning icon for this. Lightning icon. So for this size equals to, I'll go with the small one, and then we have to give the icon name also. For the icon name I will go for the utility activity. So utility activity as in this icon, the very first icon in the utility icons. So I have added this and let's deploy this and check. So it is deployed. So I haven't added, I want to add in the accounts page. So I will go and edit the page for this. So lightning icons is already there. Let me add it here on top of it. So save and activate. I have already assigned this to the administrator, so it is saved. And then if you refresh, go to details. So now like for the size I have chosen small, so it is this way. If you go with the large size, then it will be display different size, large, and then deploy. Refresh. So now we can see, okay, it is not refreshed. Let me clear cache and then reload it. So go to details. Okay, see we have two, one is the small, this is the large one. And now let's also design, the color of the icon. So inside the same div I will just copy the same and then here I will paste. Now color, we want to change the color. So size and let this be, I will go with the medium now, and this one I will go with the X small. Okay, so here we have to give the class name. Okay, why? Because we want to style these icons, right? That's why. So let's go with the red color, red utility LITY icon. Okay, this is just the class name, and for this also I will give some other class name, and let's style some different color here. Let's go with green. And we have defined this, so we have to color them, right? So let's create one CSS file, lightning icons.css. We can also define the inline styling, but this is the best practice. Now in order to design the icons, we have to, color of the icons, we have to go with this tag sts -c -icon color foreground. Okay, we have different properties for this to add the color. So this is red, right? So I will give red. SDSC icon color foreground default, and for this I am going to give the green. So one will be red, the other one will be green. And let me copy the same thing. I will give here green. So I will deploy this. Yeah, it is deployed, and then let's refresh. Go to details. So if you see the red and the green, we have added the medium size and then extra small size. So this is how you color the icons. And if we want to color the, like, these are utility icons, right? We also have the other icons like standard icons, address and all. So what I meant to say is these are utility, so we can color them. And we also have standard icons, so these icons we can also color these also, like now it's orange color, right? So we can also go with some other color. Okay, let's see one example with this also. And div, so other icons color. So inside this I will just copy the same lightning icon, and icon name should be standard account info. So here it should be standard, and here account info. The same it should go here also. And the class should be, let's go with some yellow color and then purple color. So we have to copy the same class names in the CSS file, and the other one is purple. Instead of purple, let's go with orange to differentiate better. Orange, and then copy same thing. Okay, so for the standard icons, like other icons, how we will do is we just like how we have the property for the utility icons like SDS foreground default. For the non-utility icons also we have just foreground, not the foreground default. Okay, it's almost the same, like this is completely same. It's just that we will remove the default. Okay, so I will give this yellow and the same orange, right? Let me copy this and paste this orange. So let me deploy this again. So let's refresh. Okay, see now the color of this is changed, right? This is icon, like generally it is in white color. Now we have changed it to yellow and then orange, right? Now if we want to change the background also, like now we did not like the color of this, like yellow doesn't match with this color or orange doesn't match with this color, then we can also do that. So for that also we have one more property to design. So let's see that. And the same background color we can add for these icons also. So I will just add it here only. So I will copy the whole div. For the utility icons, let's add background. Okay, red utility background, BACK, and for this also background icon. Okay, for the activity only, and let's copy the same background here and paste it here. And similarly green utility icon. Now how do we add the color for these also is, for the backgrounds we have one more property, that is SDS, like it is the same thing, SDS only. The only thing it will change is background instead of foreground. So since we are adding it to the background, we have to maintain that as that color background. So the icons are already red, right? I will go with some green for this, and the second green icon is already green, so I will add it as red just to identify the difference. Let me deploy this and then refresh. So here, see, we have the background color as this, and this background color is red. Now we can also add the foreground color here itself, like in the single one with the different property. Background is red, so it should be, sorry, background is green though, so it should be red color, and here background is red, so let's go with green. Like we can see both in one only. We are in green. Let's deploy and let's refresh. See now, like the combination of these two we have applied only in single one. So this is how we do it, and even for the standard icons also it is same, like the same property. We will use the same property, SDSC color icon background. So this is how we color our icons, and thank you.